Hi, I'm Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. Are you looking to make your own external storage system and not sure where to start? Well, this particular one is 128 gig from the folks at SP, and it is a good way to get started. You can build your own internal enclosures. Now, this is an M.2 SSD. You may see some that are M.2 NVMe. From what I've read, the SSD standard is newer than NVMe and may help you with some compatibility issues where the NVMe may not work in all cases unless the enclosure you're using specifically calls for that. So this is very handy to use. In the form factor, it's called the 2280, and that references to how long it is. So 80 is the max length, and you can find shorter ones, but 80 is pretty much some of the standard that I've been seeing. And the nice thing is, if you've got an enclosure you like, you should be able to use this as long as it supports this kind of SSD. And if you need to upgrade the drive, you can keep the enclosure and just put another SSD in it. So this is one's well worth the price and is one to get you started and get you up and running today.